What is going on? What is happening? If this is your first time seeing my face, my name is Camille. Thank you for tapping in with me. If you've been in before, welcome back. Today is an unboxing of a fragrance that I've been contemplating, debating, thinking, and finally bought. The fragrance I'm talking about is Bleu Parfum. So I've been thinking about this fragrance for some time, and I was at the mall recently, and I'm like, let me smell it again. I was talking to the lady at the desk. I'm like, let me smell it again. I smelled this and a few other ones. And to be quite honest, it was between this and Parfums de Marly. Is it Percival? I know Perseus. I think Perseus is the new one. But it was between this and a Parfums de Marly fragrance. And let me explain. I went with this one because I put the Parfums de Marly like on my wrist on a couple different, I had like 4 different fragrances on. So I put it on my wrist and I let it settle down and let it dry down, and the dry down was not attractive. I think it was Percival. Or it might have been Carlisle. Whatever it wasn't effective to me to make me want to go and buy that, spend that money, because I didn't pay discount for this. I didn't buy this off a discounter. I actually got this from my Nordstrom, my local Nordstrom. And I think another reason I just went ahead and hit the green light was because I couldn't find this on discounters for less than like 200 bucks. I forget how much I paid for this. I think it was like maybe 190, something like that. I don't know what size this one is. Yeah, let's crack it open. This is definitely the first original fragrance I've ever purchased. No discount. No rack store find in years. It's been a long time. I don't think I've ever spent $200 on a fragrance. It's been a long time, but I don't think I have. I don't know why I keep smelling the top, like I could smell it and it wasn't even sprayed. So this is I don't know, is it a magnetic cap? No way. Oh, I love it. Oh, this bottle is just so like, it's so basic and simplistic, and I love it. I love it. This is a 100 milliliter, 3.4 ounce. Oh baby, bring it on to me. Oh my goodness. That is beautiful. I'm so glad I grabbed this over the Parfums de Marly. Talk your shit if you want, I don't care. This is, oh my goodness. Like, I have the EDT, well, in a clone form. I don't think I've ever smelled the EDP, but I just had to jump to this because one of the fragrance reviewers, influencers that I watch, he dies by this. Like, this is his best of all the Bleu de Chanel's. And I'm like, let me give it a twirl. I trust his nose. I'm like, let me give it a twirl. So yeah, we got Bleu de Chanel de Parfum. Bleu de Chanel de Parfum. Boy. Man, this shit is so good. Let's get it on the tester strip. All right. 2 squirts. Oh, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. So it's just, in my opinion, it's just a bolder, darker, richer take on the original DNA. So you still get everything in the Bleu de Chanel. It's just more powerful. It's stronger. It's more, of course, it's stronger. It's a Parfum concentration, but it's just, oh goodness. You still get that opening freshness, that citrusy at the top. That sandalwood comes in like a pow. This is definitely signature scent worthy. I feel like some people think that like the Bleu de Chanel's is like played out kind of like the Dior Sauvages, but this is definitely signature scent worthy, and I'm glad I spent what I spent on this. It's probably gonna be the last time I spend that much money on a bottle, but this is good. I probably still got a sample first, but like just the lady in the store, like I forget her name, but she hit me with like Parfums de Marly, the new one. I think it's Perseus, or I forget, whatever the new Parfums de Marly. She hit me with that. She hit me with Percival. She hit me with the Bleu de Chanel, the Parfum, and it was another one that she hit me with. And out of all those four, I chose to go with the Bleu de Chanel, and I'm glad I did. So this is I mean, you still get that woody, aromatic vibe. Like this is so easily wearable. You can wear this to work, wear this on date night, wear this all year round. Even if you're in jail, you get complimented on this. Laid up in the hospital. You got it, baby. You got it. This is good though. Yeah, man. I cannot wait to rock this. I think so I'll probably rock this tomorrow. I don't have a scent of the day for tomorrow picked out yet, but I'll probably rock this tomorrow. I got a 16-hour day. Hopefully it does what it's supposed to do because it's a Parfum concentration. So we did it. One of my most recent pickups, Bleu de Chanel Parfum. That is it for this video. See you on the next one.